Understanding tangent ratios, C3. Determine sine A and cosine A if tan A equals to 3 over 5. Now with this question, we'll move on from tan to sine and cosine. Okay. Tan A equals to 3 over 5. What does that mean? It means that if we have a right triangle, let me draw one here. In that case, if this angle is A, we can write ABC as here. So angle will be angle A, right? If this angle is A, then tan A is 3 over 5. That means the ratio of opposite side to adjacent side is 3 over 5. This is what it means. That is the meaning of tan A. So tan A equals to 3 over 5. It means the ratio of opposite to adjacent is 3 over 5 in a right triangle. So that is a right triangle. Now, in this right triangle, we can always find what AC is equal to, right? So we know from Pythagorean theorem that AC square should be equals to AB square plus BC square, right? So AC square is equals to AB's 5 square plus 3 square. That is 25 plus 9, and that gives us 25 plus 9 as 34, right? So AC is equals to 34 square root, right? So AC square is 34. We can say AC is equals to square root of 34. So that is the value of AC. Now what is cosine and what is sine of angle A? Now I'd like you to remember SOHCAHTOA. So SOHCA is for sine, S is for sine, is opposite over hypotenuse, SOH. And for cosine, it is adjacent over hypotenuse, right? And for tan, as you know, it is opposite over adjacent, right? So these three things, they help you remember what is sine ratio, cosine ratio, and tan ratio, right? So from here we see sine is opposite over hypotenuse. AC is our hypotenuse, correct? And we just found that the value of AC is equals to square root of 34, right? Therefore, we can write what sine A is. So for us, sine A is equals to opposite side, which is 3, over hypotenuse, which is square root of 34. Okay. Similarly, we can find what cosine of A is. So cos of A is equals to adjacent side. Adjacent is the side between the angle and 90 degrees. So A and 90 degrees is 5 over hypotenuse, which is square root of 34. So from this example, you see that if one trigonometric ratio is given to you, then you can find all others, right? You can also find angle A, right? And you can find angle A as tan inverse of A or sine inverse, either way. So it is not asked here, but it could be. So you can say angle A is equals to tan inverse of 3 over 5, right? So you can solve the triangle given a trigonometric ratio, right? So that is what you can do. Now as an extension to this problem, what you can find is, so as an extension, let me write communication 3b. So find the values of sine B, cosine B, and from sine and cosine B, find angle B, right? So that is your problem as an extended problem to C3. Thank you.